It's sitting low. It's not like super low, but it's pretty low. It's sitting on the 20-inch Tex Edition factory wheels with the 255/50 tires. They're not like real low pros, but they're smaller. You can see right there, it does tuck. The offset is not the best offset. They tuck, but they're too close to the bed. You can kind of see they're barely in there. The rear, I did bag it with a KP components kit. You can see some of the red down there. I had them powder coated red. Like I said, I can do other videos. If I miss anything, just let me know. Or anything you want me to go over more. But in the rear, it is KP components. It does have a under bed notch. It's not a big notch. It's just a under bed notch. I did cut under the bed. You can't really see it right now. It's covered up, but like I said, I can do other videos about that if you want to see that. The front is using cups and bags. Like, it replaces your spring. And it's pretty easy to put them on. I did it myself. And it does have Beltec street shocks in the front also. The street performance shocks, the gray shocks. You can tell it's kind of rubbing right there. There they are. And it's not like super low, but it looks good enough to me. I'm still working on it. On those wheels, I'm gonna change them because the offset, like I said, it's not the best offset. I want them to tuck in a little bit more. I already have some other 22s, so I'll be putting on those and I'll make a video on those. And as you can tell, it does look funny because I'm working on it, and you can see in the door it's got a square because I'm working on deleting the door handles. So I just have a cover on it right now. They are working though. I installed some door poppers on it, and if you stick on my channel, you'll see different things that I do because I like doing a lot of electrical things. So like right now it's hooked up to the alarm, but it's not like the regular ones you've seen. Basically, I added like some motion sensors on it, so it's not just like, you know, you can just pop it with your remote. Like basically when you disarm your alarm, it'll open up with a motion sensor, so you don't have to like basically press on your remote. You just, you unlock it and then it'll activate it. It's timed, so not just anybody will be able to open it, you know. It's not like that, but I can probably show you real quick. And mirrors are hooked up on the alarm also. They're Escalade mirrors. You can see them right there, and they do light up. I also added a switch on them right here, so you can close them and open them. And like I said, it's hooked up on the alarm, so I'll let you see that real quick. When you lock it, like, it'll fold in and stuff. I didn't add the disarm on them because I had to move it over for the door poppers and other things, so it didn't have enough auxiliaries. But basically when you open it, you know, you can come in and it'll activate it so you can get in and watch this. You've never seen this before, but this is pretty cool. You just get real close. There's a sensor that I installed, and you don't have to touch it. It's just, you just have to get close to it. It'll open it for you. This is all brand new, like I said. This is what you'll see in my channel, like just different things, since, you know, I like working with stuff like this. It already timed out. See, there you go. Like I said, it's just it's on a timer. So it's like not just anybody can open it, anything like that, but I'll be doing different things. I'll let you guys see it again. Hold up. Right here. It's on both sides, have it also, so it's left and right. So basically, like I said, you just get close to it and it'll do it, and then do it again. And it's timed. That's why it won't, like, you know, after a while, it'll just, you know, stop. Like right there, it already timed out. That's it. And I can change the time on it too, so however long I want it, but I don't want it too long because you know, I'm just trying to get in and now. That's it. But like I said, if you stick on my channel, you'll see different things like that. Things that you might not see in other channels, different things. Because I'm pretty good at wiring and stuff, so I'll be doing like playing with stuff and making stuff work, all that. On the rear, you can tell it's got the Escalade bumper. I did add it because I wanted to have it like painted and stuff. And in the front, it does have the sunroof also. I added that. In the front, you can tell I changed the hood to the HD CL1 hood. Looks pretty cool. I left the stock grill because I like that grill, and I like that the O2 front end, so I left it alone. I just added the C71 valence on the bottom, and I added those 4-inch aftermarket fog lights. They're the biggest ones I could fit, so they're 4-inch. They look okay. I might change them later, but they fill the gap, so they're good. And everything's not like permanent right now. Some of the stuff is like loose or anything like that, because I'm just working on it. Like I said, I do it on my spare time. The fender I replaced, so that's why it's black. I'll probably be working on it or something, maybe change it. I mean, the truck's gonna get painted soon, later on, when I get a chance. That's the other door right there. Like I said, they're just covered up right now. And it is cammed. It's a 5.3. I can show you real quick right here. You've probably seen it on my other videos too. I have a few on my channel that I'm starting to load up more now. But basically, it's a 5.3 cammed. I did add the 92mm throttle body, and I added the air intake filter in the front. It's a L Brock. You can see right here. Right there. And it is by cable. That's why you see that red wire right here. I like the way it looks, so I just left it like that. I might do the engine cover paint it later. The firewall is done, and also the tub. So Regicide did that. He did the wheel tub so I can tuck like big wheels. I have 26s on it too, so but I took them off for now because they're pretty big. All the electrical I did myself, and like I said, I do a lot of it myself, as much as I can do. I replaced the battery with an excess power for the system, and then all 0 gauge wiring. The SMD fuse holder, those are pretty good. It makes your install pretty clean. And then upgraded the alternator for Nickman. Sorry for the wind noise because it's pretty windy today also, so just bear with me. Hope you can hear it. It's a Mickman, and it does have I added some oil catch cans, so this one right here, and I have another one on the other side right here, another oil catch can. I also added the electric fan, so I removed the clutch fan. You can tell it's missing right there, it's not there, but I have the electric fans right here, and I did all the wiring to it. So right here you can see the relay. I just put it up top so I could get to it, and I don't want to be messing with it down too low. So that's the temperature, to adjust the temperature when I want them to kick on and off, so they don't have to be on all the time. Because some people just run them and they're on all the time, which is not right. I mean, because it's just pulling power for no reason, and they pull a lot of power. They're pulling like 40 amps each, so 80 amps. So that's why I also upgraded the alternator, so I don't have that problem like dimming my lights and all that. And 0 gauge, you know, make sure you got good power. Big 3. You have to upgrade your grounds, all that stuff. You can tell right there, like that's the 0 gauge running right there. There's a whole bunch of them. Like I said, if you want to see more, just let me know, and I can do like more detailed videos or how to do it, stuff like that. But yeah, basically it's a 5.3. It's cammed. It does have, I put long tube Speed Engineering headers. They're long tubes. And at first I've been changing it a lot, but I had like no cast, all that stuff, like cutouts where you can close it and open it and make it louder and softer, all that, like quieter. But right now I do have cats on it because I got tired of the smell. It sounded pretty good. It still sounds good, but I got tired of the smell, so I just put the cats back on. But I do have the long tubes on it, and it does have Flowmasters, and it's a true dual exhaust, 3-inch all around, like dual exhaust. Right now it's at half the cab, so it drops, it's dumped, but later on I'm gonna bring it back out all the way to the back, but for now it's good like this. And it does have a tune by Houston Powerhouse, HHP, Houston House of Power. They tuned it and dynoed it, all that stuff. And it is running on 93 octane for the tune. The transmission is a 4L60, and I had it rebuilt by right here in Houston where we're at, so it's been redone. That one was done by Triple P. The transmission 4L60. So that's what's under it. It also does have the rear end. I did redo that also. I added 410 gears. 410 gears on it, posi, all that. Like I said, just let me know if you want to see anything else more on it. On the interior, I'm still working on the interior. That's my custom box that I'm working on right now. It's a 12-inch inside. It's a kicker ported. It's ported down. Well, actually, it's not ported down, but the subwoofer is facing down, and the port is up. I did change the steering wheel to a Grant steering wheel. It doesn't have the airbag anymore, so you can't have it when you change it on these. And it also does have right now the Escalade cluster. It does have to be the 02 because this is a 2000, so 2000 to 2002. If you put the 03, it won't work on this one. Your truck has to be basically in the same range. And aftermarket double din kit. I did add my window switches right here and my bass knob switches, and also a voltmeter so you can see the voltage and all that. I can show you real quick how it looks. So it'll show the voltage and all that. And the windows, you can go up or down. And then the bass knob. Well, actually, I have an epicenter, so this is the epicenter, and then I have a bass knob right here. And then on this, I just added like small accents, like for my channel, like Migo Customs, and then a little bit right there. The dash is wrapped with like vinyl or leather. Can't really tell. Like I said, I mean, I can do other videos if you want to really go into it. On the air suspension, the controller I did mount right here on the dash, and I did a magnetic mount, so you can take it off and just put it back on. It's magnetic. And then this one right here, like I said earlier, that's the switch for the mirrors, power mirrors. Just let me know if you want me to show anything else or go in detail or any questions, anything like that. Oh yeah, also I do have the rear view mirror with the dash cam on it. This one right here. When I took it to Regis side, he saw it on my truck and he liked it also, so I did it on his truck and also on One Sick Baby Doolies. They have them too, so they're pretty cool. You can drive around and record like accidents, stuff like that, or anything. It'll record in the front and rear. It's got like a front camera and a back camera. You can kind of see when it turns on. It might be dim though because it's so bad. Yeah, you can see it. Like right now it's recording the front. So, and I haven't messed with the singer. I just left it alone. That's not the right date or anything like that. And that's pretty much it. I did like I said earlier, the sunroof. It doesn't look too good. And the rear, the top headliner, the same material. And I did have to wrap the visors. I had to go get them wrapped. It's got like separate pieces. Because I wanted it all matching. I don't want it all different colors. This light right here, my friend installed it. It was from one of the newer Silverados. They're pretty bright. And that's the switch for the sunroof. That's how she looks right now. I'm still working on it, like I said. On the door panels, It was a manual, like I said, so I did change to electric motors. Those are pretty simple. And I blocked off the hole with the tweeter right here. So there's no hole right there. It is missing the cover by the door handle right now because I was working on it and left it off. And I added a tweeter down here in the bottom and then aftermarket speakers. You can't really see it too much. And I added the chrome door handles, all that. So like I said, I mean, just let me know if you guys have any questions. You can like and subscribe or let me know anything. If you don't like it, put a thumbs down. If you like it, put thumbs up. Either one, doesn't matter. So that's it for now. Just let me know if you have any questions, like I said, or if you like this content, or what kind of content do you want to see. So that'll be it for today. Well, actually, you know what? I'll let you guys hear it one more time because I haven't turned it on right. So I'll just do that before I leave, and I'll just leave it at that. And it'll lift up. I still have to adjust it on the when I remote start it. It'll lift up to a height, but like I still have to take it to get aligned because it is missing an alignment. When I bagged it, I didn't get it aligned, so I'm gonna be taking it to Reckless Suspension in Pearland, and they'll be doing the alignment and also installing the height sensor, so it'll be riding at like a constant level. But right now, like, I'll just start it and I'll show you how it sits for now. And like I said, I mean, I'll do other videos, just let me know, but I'll just let it at this. And yeah, all right, so here it is.